Kitchen ventilation. So typically you would see say a stainless steel range hood sitting here for capturing the gases as you're cooking. What we've done here instead is we've actually connected this to our HRV, our heat recovery ventilator. So instead of having a range hood here, we have it built into the cabinetry. Up inside here, there's a little damper that opens and closes based on you pushing this button here, which is a timer button. It comes on, it's quite silent. And what's happening is, so as you're cooking, the gases are going up. It's running it back down to our fan that's in the mechanical room, putting it through a heat exchanger while fresh air is coming in. So you're recovering that hot, moist air that's coming from here, goes through the heat exchanger, you recover that energy out of that hot air, and preheat the fresh air from the exterior. So instead of your conventional, where you just simply exhaust this straight out the wall, get nothing for benefit out of it other than getting rid of the smells and gases, we're recovering that energy. The other pro to this system is because of how it's done, it's so silent and quiet that you'll actually use it because it's not disruptive to your everyday use of the home.